Read a book. This book. Hooray for fish. Lucy Cousins. Okay, here we go. Hooray for fish. Hello, I am Little Fish swimming in the sea. I have lots of fishy friends. Come along with me. Hello, 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 fish. Red, blue, and yellow fish. Which one's blue? No, which one's blue? Blue, yes. Which one's red?
Okay.
Yes. Which one's yellow? Good job. Hello, spotty fish. Spot, 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 spot. And stripy fish. Stripe, stripe, stripe. No, that's spotty fish. Spotty fish. This guy's got stripes. Happy fish. And gripey fish. 1, 2, 3. How many can you see? Whoa. There's a lot of fish, huh? Can you point to a fish that is blue?
Monster.
Well, what are those?
Monster.
It's a monster? How do you know he's a monster? What does he have in his mouth?
Teeth.
Teeth. That's right. Where's a fish that is blue? Find a blue fish? Good job, that one's blue. Where's one that's red? Can you find a red fish? Good job. That's right. Hello, elefish. It's like an elephant, but it's a fish. And shellfish. Hello, hairy fish. It's hair.
Yeah.
And scary fish. What's that?
Blue.
Yeah, it's blue. Eye fish. Shy fish. It's hiding. Fly fish. And sky fish.
A bookie.
Hello, fat. And thin fish. Hello, twin fin fish. They look the same, don't they? Do they match?
No.
Yeah, they match. Curly whirly. Twisty twirly. Upside down. He's upside down. And round and round and round and round. Oh.
Upside down.
Yeah, he's upside down. Silly fish.
Scissors.
So many friends, so many fish. Splosh, splash, splish.
Like fun. Look.
Yeah. But where's the one I love the best? Even more than all the rest. Hello, Mom. Hello, little fish. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Hooray for fish. Where's the mommy fish?
Like it.
Yep. Where's the baby fish?
Like it.
That's right. He's a little baby. Are they kissing? A kiss. The end. Do you have a kiss for Daddy? Can you give Daddy a kiss? To kiss? You kissed a fish. How about you give Daddy a kiss? You gonna get another book? What book to get?
Go, go, go.
Where's Go Dog go? Do you see it? Where is it? Is it over there?
No.
Alex, it's over on the shelf. Right here, look. Over here. Alex, look. What's this?
Go.
Is that it?
Go there.
There it is. Do you want to read it?
There. Okay. I'll read it. Go, go, go. Hello. 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 No. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Do you like my hat? I do not. Goodbye.
The house. Ciao. Around. Tiger. Blue up. Get up. Up here. Doggy show on there. Was best. Hello. Hello, hat. I don't got. Hey, boy. Look. Look. Hello. Hello, hat. Hello. For the book house. Where's he? Go, go, go. Go to win. Whoa. Wow, yeah. Wow. Hello. Wow. Go, go, go. Wow. Up, up, up. Go up. Go up. There. Apple is a baby. Merch.
Give him another book.
No big book.
What book is that one?
B.
B. A, B, C?
A B. B-E-R. E.
Let's keep that on. You need help?
No.
You're gonna sit down? Here, let's sit down and read. Are you gonna read it?
My gosh.
Okay. What letter is that?
Yeah.
You can't say it with the patty in your mouth. What letter is that?
T.
Cat.
T.
C. What letter is that? What letter is that? What letter is that? What letter is that?
E.
Good job.
E. It's marker. It's your marker. Bricks. It's the eye. It's that. It's that.
What is that?
Ow!
Good job.
It's like I'm the marker. Roar.
M is for monster. Roar.
Pizza a mouse. Yes. Yes. Pizza more piece. That's a fish. S S S. D T E. The water. Hammer. T data. Hammer. Use it. Waffle. Vegetable. Fork. X, 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 X. Y. Mark. Your E. If we are never do F. T.
All done?
The
The end. Got a lot of books out, bud. You need help?
No help.
No help.
No. Pig.
You want help? Here, let me help. No. You read it. Wait. Oh, here, let's watch the helicopter.
What?
Yeah,
A copper.
yeah, put that back on. Now we'll turn the helicopter on. Okay. You
Up.
ready?
Find them.
Where's that helicopter going?
Let's find the car.
Is he hiding? Where is he?
Copper fire.
Yeah. There's a helicopter?
Devil.
Is he gonna land on the table? Should we go up?
Up. Blue sky.
Yeah.
Like that. Blue sky. Is it screaming?
Yeah.
Come
Is he flying
from
around?
Daddy.
Where's he gonna go?
I'll go high. Sky. Come. Again! Again!
You'll
Again!
get it. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Where'd he go?
Again!
Uh-oh. You don't touch, remember?
Again!
There
Where's
he goes. There he goes.
copper? Go.
Whoa. Where's the helicopter going?
Oh,
No. Uh-oh. Are you all done with that? Should we take it off?
Hot dog.
Remember, no touch.
Look.